Hello everyone. Good day. By the way, I'm Miss Lizelle Beltran, your teacher in Fed 1 Basic Drug Education, Consumer Health and Nutrition. So, you know about drugs. You have a lot of definitions or meanings about this. So we have a lot of drugs to cure pain and to relieve pain. This medicine or other substance which has a physiological effect. So, drugs in the school setting. What is the role of drug education school? What is the use of school? So, to explore, group yourself into 3 groups. Let each other group search as household areas for a different drug pressed. Okay? So I have 5 examples of common drugs, which is the first is paracetamol, second is mefenamic acid, third is aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide, and the fourth is iodide butyl bromide, and the last is cetirizine. What is adverse effect? An unexpected medical problem that happens during treatment with a drug or offered therapy. Adverse effect may mild, moderate, or severe and may be caused by something other than the drug or therapy being given. The first is paracetamol. This drug is used to treat mild to moderate pain from headache, menstrual periods, toothache, backaches, or cold flu ache and pain, and to reduce fever. Kay this paracetamol kay usually atong gamiton if naatay mga kanang mahilantan ta. Mo ni dali mapalit sa atong duol nga kanang pharmacy. So the side effect or ways to manage paracetamol: stomach or abdominal pain. If you said that stomach is discomfort anywhere in your belly region between your ribs and your pelvis. So the ways of this is to place a hot water bottle on your abdominal, drink plenty of clear fluids, soak in a warm bath. Headache. When you say headache is a pain or discomfort in your head or face. So the ways of this is to massage and small amount of caffeine, hot and cold compress to your head. Adverse effect, ways to deal. Hematotoxicity. The ways is to avoid or limit workplace exposure to harmful solvent or chemicals. Stop taking any drugs or vitamins. Mefenamic acid. Mefenamic acid is used to treat mild to moderate pain and dysmenorrhea menstrual pain. It's approved to treat pain in people who are at least 14 years old for no longer than 7 days. Most anesthesia usually madali-dali na ito palit sa mga tindahan, pharmacies. The side effect and ways to manage of mefenamic acid is the tetanus. So when you say tetanus, when you experience ringing or other noises in one or both of your ears. So ways is to learn to relax, avoid overuse of earplugs, avoid silence. Heartburn. So heartburn is burning pain near your chest, just behind your breast bone. So ways is to resist the urge to overeat or eat quickly. Eat a ripe banana. Adverse effect and ways to this is to peptic ulcer. No, kanang peptic ulcer is treatment for peptic ulcer is depend on the cause. Usually treatment will involve killing H. pylori bacterium it present. eliminating or reducing use of NSAIDs if possible and helping your ulcer to heal with medication. The third example of common drug is aluminum hydroxide plus magnesium hydroxide are antacid used to relieve heat burn, acid reflexant, stomach discomfort. Patient with a peptic ulcer, gastritis, esophagus, hiatal hernia, or too much acid in the stomach may benefit from them. The side effect of this and ways to deal is to muscle weakness. When your full effort doesn't produce a normal muscle construction or movement. The ways is to physical therapy, occupational therapy, or medication. Loss of appetite. A decreased appetite occurs when you have a reduced desire to eat. The ways is to focusing on eating just one large meal per day and light exercise. Adverse of this is to aluminum intoxication. It is treated by withdrawing all peripheral source of aluminum and stopping aluminum containing phosphate binder. The fourth is phosphine butylbromide is an antispasmodic medicine that is taken to relieve cramps in the stomach, intestine, or bladder. So the side effect of this or ways to deal is the dry mouth. When you say dry mouth, a condition in which the saliva is in your mouth. Don't make enough saliva to keep your mouth wet. And the ways is to gum or sucking sugar-free. Try chewing sugar-free. Dry skin. Dry skin is a condition in which the saliva is the dry skin that makes skin look and feel rough, itchy, flaky, or scaly. The ways to use warm water and limit bath time. Use allergen-free moisturizing soap. The adverse of this is to hypotension. Drink more water. Fluids increase blood volume and help prevent dehydration, both of which are important in treating hypotension. Wear compression stocking too. The last is cetirizine. Cetirizine is an antihistamine used to relieve allergic symptoms such as watery eyes, runny nose, itchy eyes, and sneezy and hives and itching. We use this cetirizine if na may mga allergy, if kanang nag-running nose mo sa early morning or in the midnight. And the side effect of this is drowsiness. Ways is to get up and move around to feel awake. Eat healthy food to boost energy. Take a nap to take the edge of sleepiness. Tiredness. Rule out of health problems. Get moving, drink plenty of water, and go to bed early. And the side effect is ways to manage is hepatitis, is to ways is manage nausea, rest, and avoid alcohol. I have additional activity for this is the first is what is the most valuable information you have learned in today's lesson. You can attach your answer in your notebook, and for the checking of your answer is sa sunod na nato nga meeting. That could be all, and thank you for listening, class. Goodbye.